Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining our AI Vlog initiative with the Microsoft Reactor. I'm your host, Anthony Chen from Toronto.
Hi, I'm Oded from Redmond, Washington.
All right, I'm going to jump right in right now. So we'll start with two warm-up questions. Oded, so what's your favorite sci-fi movie?
So funny you should ask. I think it's AI by Steven Spielberg, the little robot with a teddy bear. That
Oh,
was really impressive movie.
that's definitely not what I'm expecting. I was expecting the like a Matrix or Terminator, but that's my favorite. But like it's all good. Now I learned that one like a different test. So the next question is selfish question, personal interest. Do you play Minecraft?
So almost, I'm a bit old, but my son does, and he just showed me a farm that automatically harvests sheep and creates bed, everything like with redstone, and yeah, so I'm loving
Oh yeah,
about that.
the the rest on the automation. That's where the our next generation is going to be ready for this AI things. Right now, let's jump to the core of the question. So, what change are you and your company making with the AI agent? When what makes you special?
So we at Dynasty Entertainment, we're tackling the gaming and storytelling side of AI. We have the AI Game Master app on the iOS and Android that has drawn hundreds of thousands of players, and they're all immersed in these generative, imaginative worlds. So it's a story being augmented by generative images, generative 3D objects you can collect. It's all generated, narrated, so naturally sounding voice, and just so many AI agents coming together in unison to dance and deliver this immersive, imaginative world to our players.
Sounds very interesting. Any like so, what would you say that makes your AI agent stands out?
So I think really the use of so many different agents. We have so the story, the AI answers to your every to have your the AI answers to your every action, and then it adds like the right images, and then you might find you just killed an enemy and you find an item and you collect that, and it's our job as the human orchestrator or developer to make sure they dance together in sync, and deliver this wholesome experience to the user. So it's not just a chat, it's not just an image generator, it's this experience, it's this AI generated experience that we're delivering, and
And then
players are loving it. Sorry, players are just
no,
bonkers to it.
no, and then still human on the loop is important and leads to our next question. Well, so we've heard this endless time already. Human like AI is not replacing human, but human with AI will replace human without AI. But what if everyone start to use AI? What do you imagine? What's going to be like if everyone start to use AI?
Right. So that's like out of a science fiction novel, but I think we'll all be walking around with sort of personal assistants, and our personal assistants will be talking to each other. So you'll have, I think, a video came out the other week or two. Two AI agents were talking to each other, and they realized they're both AI agents, so they switched to this more efficient protocol. It's inaudible to a human's ear. It sounds like gibberish, but they're like, okay, reservation confirmed. So we'll be seeing a lot of that. And in our game, we imagine that every player will be submerged in his own imaginative world. And then sometimes we will join those worlds. So imagine you're in an imagination world and someone else is his own imagination world, and we bring those together. And you sort of share for a short while your imagination worlds together. And I think that will be something very, very unique, and some the world has never even seen yet. So we're looking excited.
I think like it's coincident. It's not a surprise though. Every founder we interview right now, I think it's creativity. I mean, now it's like when everyone's using AI, it's really embrace the creativity. Like every founder we talk to all say the same and totally agree with you, right? Because all that, and then that's where the imagination when they emerge together, that's the next level, right? So now, like fire question. So today's your birthday, and then you can make a wish to the like Aladdin and genie to make an AI agent happen for you today. what's that going to be?
Right. Any AI I could want. So as we're expanding, we always need more developers. Sorry, more developers, more people to do outreach, more people to do operations at Digital Dynasty Entertainment. But honestly, my previous episode touched on special needs. We're doing computer vision to help people with low mobility. And I think AI can be transformational there. AI could help every person with a disability augment their world, whether it's completing someone who's lost his hearing or somebody who's lost his sight, and even with robots mobility now. So I think AI could really, and that would make a great birthday present if they just did AI to help all those deserving people.
No, I cannot agree with you more. Just like I just read like an article. Was it just yesterday? I think like I forgot which like person mentioned like AI is basically going to cure most of the disease in the world in the next like 5 to 10 years. And for me, like and I admire your answer because like most of my family members all passed away from disease and all this, right? So definitely, I think, and this is us being a founder, stay positive. I think like AI this negative side, but then I love your answer. Like AI agent can really make the world a better place. But thank you so much today, like Oded, and thanks everyone for tuning in. And if you want to learn more about Oded and his company, you check the description. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.